Hello friends, I am Ramdevbhai Gohil teaching mathematics in 11th-12th science since last 37 years. You all have completed the exam Eklavya of the year. Now we are starting paper solution. Let us start. First MCQ, HCF of 140 and 40. So friends, you know you have to first of all factorization of 140. So 140 is equal to, first of all we can say 2 into 70, again 2 into 2 into 35, again 2 into 2 into 5 into 7. So it will be 2 raised to 2 into 5 into 7, right? Now we will factorize 40. So 40 means 4 into 10. It means 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. So it will be 2 raised to 3 into 5. And now HCF is equal to, you all knows that HCF means common of these two numbers. Here 2 raised to 2, here 2 raised to 3. So common will be 2 raised to 2. Then 5 is common. 7 is over here, but there is no 7. So answer will be 4 into 5, 20. So option B is the correct answer. Clear? Second, LCM of 91 and 65. First of all, 91 is equal to, we will factorize 91. So 91 is equal to 7 into 13. Then 65 is equal to 5 into 13. And now we want to find LCM. So LCM means first of all write this factorization 7 into 13 into, now 13 over here, 5 is not there. So we have to write 5. Complete the multiplication. 7 into 5 is equal to 35 into 13. So 13 5 is 65, 6. 13 3 is 39 and 6, 45. So answer will be 455, option C. Right? Now this question is a tricky question. HCF of AB is equal to 1, and then you have to find HCF of A minus B and A plus B. Now friends, if HCF is equal to 1, it means A and B are the numbers in such a way that both the numbers are not divisible by each other. A is not divisible by B and B is not divisible by A. Suppose A is equal to suppose 17, B is equal to suppose 15, then HCF will be 1. Now if you add both the numbers, then it will be 32. If you minus difference, the difference will be 2, and then HCF will be 2. Suppose A is equal to suppose 3, B is equal to suppose 2. then HCF will be 1. Now, if you add both the numbers, then it will be 5. If you minus difference is 1, and now HCF will be 1. So, if HCF of A and B is 1, then HCF of A minus B and A plus B may be 1 or 2. So, our answer is 1 or 2, option A, right? Number 4. Friends, there is a printing mistake. 18 upon 5 raised to 3. Question is 18 upon 5 raised to 3 has dash digit after not tens place, it will be decimal point, after decimal point. So, question is 18 upon 5 raised to 3 has dash digit after the decimal point. So, 18 upon 5 raised to 3. So, it will be 18 upon 125. Now, we cannot divide these numbers. If we use calculator, then it is possible. But we can't use calculator. So, what should be done? Multiply by 8. Multiplied by 8 upon 8. So, it will be 144 upon 1000. So, it will be 0.144. So, there are 3 digits after decimal point. So, your answer is option C, right? Number 5, HCF of 15 and 35. We can say this is Asur Suryu. So, easy MCQ. 15 is equal to 3 into 5. 35 is equal to 5 into 7. And now HCF. HCF means common from these two numbers. So, common is 5. So, HCF will be 5. So, our answer is option A. Clear? Number 6. HCF of two numbers is 8. You are given HCF is equal to 8. Multiplication is given. Multiplication. Suppose number is A and B. So, multiplication is 384. And you have to find LCM. So, friends, you must know HCF into LCM is equal to multiplication of two numbers. If HCF of A and B and LCM of A and B, if you multiply both HCF and LCM, then the multiplication of two numbers will be the answer. So, there are three terms, multiplication, LCM and HCF. You are given HCF, so 8 into LCM you have to find, multiplication is given 384. So, LCM will be 384 divided by 8. So, 8 4s are 32, 6, 8 8s are. So, answer will be 48. Option C. Clear? Now, HCF of A and B is equal to 18 and you have to find LCM. Not LCM, but LCM is not possible. Friends, LCM is always multiple of HCF. LCM is multiple of HCF. So, if HCF is equal to 18, then LCM may be 18 36, 54, 72. These all may be LCM, and you are asked is not possible. So 36 is possible, 72 is possible, 108 is also possible, but this is not possible, 48. So our answer is option C. Clear? Number 8, HCF of 115 and 161. 115 means 5 into 23. 5 into 23. And 161 means 7 into 23. And now we want to find HCF. So HCF means common of these two numbers, 23. So answer will be 23. 23 is the answer. Right? Number 9, product of zeros in quadratic polynomial p of x is equal to x square minus 3x plus 2 is dash. You are given quadratic polynomials. P of x is equal to x square minus 3x plus 2. First of all, compare the polynomial with this general form, ax square plus bx plus c. So you will get a is equal to 1, a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 3 and c is equal to 2. Now you are asked product of zeros of this polynomial. Suppose zeros are alpha and beta. Suppose alpha and beta. Then product of zeros alpha into beta, you have a formula c upon a. Another formula alpha plus beta is equal to minus b upon a. This is not required here, but alpha into beta you are asked. So alpha into beta is equal to c upon a. So is equal to c. C matlab 2. C means 2 upon a is equal to 1. Answer will be 2. So option A is our answer. Right? Number 10. A quadratic polynomial does not have a single real zeros. Its graph is dash. Now friends, if we draw the graph of quadratic polynomial, if the polynomial have two zeros, then the graph will be like this. There are two zeros. If polynomial has only one zero, then graph will be like this. And if quadratic polynomial not have a single zeros, real zeros, then the graph will be like this. There are no zeros. So you are asked not have a single real zeros, then the graph will be like this. So the graph will not intersect x-axis. Now see the option. Do not intersect the x-axis. This is the answer. If graph intersects in two distinct points, then there are two zeros. If one point, then one zeros. And not intersect, then there are no zeros of this quadratic polynomial. Understand?